How to transfer money from bank to Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can transfer money from bank to Cash App. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step that you'll need to take is open up your Cash App. After you open up your Cash App, go to your profile on the top right or the bottom right corner. After you're on your profile or your account, tap on the linked bank option. Now tap on link bank or link credit card. So since we are transferring money from bank to Cash App, we'll tap on link bank. Then tap on continue, go through the terms and conditions, then select the bank that you want to transfer from. Simply choose the bank, and after you've chosen the bank, you will then need to add in the details and go through that process. Then if you go to your current balance, you can then tap on add cash. Then after you tap on add cash, you can then choose the amount that you want to transfer. You can confirm your cash pin and you'll have added the money to your Cash App. And that's basically how you do it, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.